Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, WebEaser, and today I'll be sharing with you how to install any wallet extension in your browser. Okay, how to install wallet extensions in your browser. You've downloaded some of these wallets, as I told you, the Metamask. You have downloaded the Townkeeper. You have downloaded Phantom Wallet. Okay, I've downloaded Phantom Wallet. All these wallets ask you to download. So when you download them, you open it. It asks you to create an account. You click on create new account. Okay, and then what do you do next? You copy. They'll give you a seed phrase. I'm going to show you all these things. They'll give you a seed phrase, and you copy those seed phrase down, and then use it to then put your password, and your account is created. So, but sometimes when you are doing projects, they may not ask you to you may not use the app itself. Okay, you may be doing a project and it is not the app itself that you'll be using. They will ask you to install the extension. I'm using that I also have Metamask in the extension, in my browser extension. This is Mrs. browser. Look at, I have other extensions too. I have Metamask extension is here. Phantom, are you seeing it? These are not the apps itself. They are the extensions. That means they are inside in my browser. They are also there. Okay, so I can do any connection here without making use of the app itself. Okay, so you have all these wallets. Are you seeing them? So now, how did I install all these extensions? How do you install an extension? You need to just go to on your tab. You can just type for Chrome browser. Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. Then when you type Chrome Web Store, whatever the name of that app, to make it easier for you to access quickly, instead of you going to Chrome Web Store, then start looking for the app, to make it easier, once you type Chrome Web Store, just type Metamask, or you type the name of that particular extension you want to install in your browser. Chrome Web Store, click on it, extension. Chrome Web Store, you type the name of that browser. You see, Chrome Web Store, Metamask. Are you seeing? So I'm not going to click on this first one that says Chrome Web Store, but it has already highlighted that it is Metamask I am looking for. So when I click on it, it's going to take me to chrome.webstore.google.com, but then it is going to immediately, I will not need to be, sorry, hold on a bit, let the load finish. I will not need to be, are you seeing? I will not need to be, if I didn't type this Metamask, it would have brought me here and I will be searching here again for Metamask. So that's why I just typed Chrome Web Store Metamask, so that once it comes here, it will just pop up the extension I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking for Metamask. So having come here now, all you need to do is to click on Add to Chrome. It's telling me remove from Chrome because I already have the extension in my wallet. But for you, if you don't have the extension already and you want to install it, it will show you add to Chrome. All you need to do is to click on add to Chrome. That's all. It will just roll and it will tell you it will add to Chrome. So immediately it adds to Chrome, it will now be showing you remove from Chrome because it has already added. So my own is I already have the extension which I have shown you. So it's now showing remove from Chrome, which I'm not going to remove because I'm using it. So if you want to see the extension you just added to Chrome, click on this place. This icon is the icon for extension. If this icon is not here on your browser, tap on this 3 dotted line here. If you click on this 3 dotted line and scroll down, you will see it. Are you seeing extension? Are you seeing it? I'm saying in case you don't see it on this place, the logo on this place, like the logo of extension. This is an extension logo. If I click on it, it will bring out all the extension in my wallet. The reason why I did not bring out other extensions is because I turned them off inside extensions. Okay, but I did not turn off Metamask. So it is that's why it's showing Metamask here. If I turn on other extensions, it will be showing them here. Later on I'll teach you that one. So, or if you don't see it, the logo here, just click on this place and you will locate extension. All right, in some browsers like Kiwi, if you click like this, you just scroll down to the end, you begin to see all the extensions you added, Metamask, Phantom, all of them that you added. Any extension that you do not add like this, you do not come to Chrome Web Store to add, to install like this, the way I installed this one, it will not be in your extensions. Okay, so this is it. Now this is how to add any extension of your choice. If it's Phantom I want, I'll search for Phantom, or I'll use that first method where I type Chrome Web Store. That is when I'm in Google, Chrome Web Store, and then I will type Phantom. But since I'm already inside Phantom, Phantom wallet, so are you seeing it? I search for Phantom. Is this first one? Okay, this first one, Phantom. So click on it. It says the item is inactive. Yes, I'm the one that turned it off. Are you seeing that it is showing remove from Chrome because I already added it to Chrome? So in the same way, I go ahead and add to Chrome. That's how to install any extension. This is how to install any extension. Okay, so let's just go back. Let's go back. Now, okay, so let's look for an extension to add. Okay, let me just add an extension for you. For example, let me add Nest Wallet extension. Okay, so I'm going to go for the one that wrote Chrome Web Store, or I should have typed it here at home so that it will just bring it up from Chrome Web Store. I'm just trying to make it easy for you. Chrome Web Store, then you type the extension you are looking for, Nest Wallet extension, Nest Wallet. So you see Chrome Web Store, okay, Nest Wallet. So if I click on it, now I don't have this one in my wallet, in my extension. Are you seeing it showing me add to Chrome? Because I don't have it already. I don't have it before. I've never installed it before in my browser. Okay, and I don't even have the app. So this is what you do now. After you come, let's assume it is any wallet at all. You just click on add to Chrome. Are you seeing it's rolling? It will show you Chrome Web Store, add Nest. Yes, okay, add it for me. Let's hold on and see. Let's just hold on and see what it's going to bring out for us. So you can roll and to just show you that it has added successfully. Okay, sometimes network can just keep rolling, and meanwhile it has already added for you. Okay, now see, are you seeing that it has added it for me, and it opened it immediately? After adding it for me, it opened it for me. Are you seeing it has opened it for me? Immediately it added it, it opened it for me. So I didn't need to come here to click here and be looking for it to open again. It just opened it automatically. So I'm just going to create an account which I don't have before. Next, connect a wallet to dApps. Okay, so get started, email. Okay, so I'll put in my email, continue. So it sent a code to me which I'm going to input to login. So after clicking that, it brought me here so I can input my password. So I've imputed my password. I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, welcome to Next Wallet. Add a wallet, get started. I'll just write add manually. No, sorry, quick start, because I don't have a wallet before. Ethereum, Solana, and Ton. Okay, so Okay, so I'm just showing you how to add any extension.